Protect your vehicle floors with our premium high-quality non-slip carpet floor mats. This full set safeguards floor space front to back and is perfect for 2 or 3 row seating. The rear mats stretch the length of the bench seat to ensure vital daily protection. Built to last, these rugged floor mats feature carpeting with uniquely woven fibers to trap dirt in their tracks. The driver's side has a grooved rubber heel pad that is durably built to stand up to the harsh scuffing of heavy boots and shoes. The mats are easy to maintain with the simple swipe of a vacuum or gentle cleanse with a damp cloth. They are universal in size to fit most vehicles. Plus, the underside has uniquely textured backing to keep the mats securely in place. Enjoy vital protection and peace of mind every day with our premium non-slip carpet floor mats. Now offered as a 2-row full set with 2 front mats and 1 rear mat, or 3-row full set, complete with 2 front mats, 1 middle, and 1 rear mat.